Bitcoin reaching up to close to 30K, just a hair below it. This morning, 29,987 it hit. We're going to cover a little market update. What's going on? Are we going to continue up higher? What's going on with the market drivers, XRP, XLM, and a couple other altcoins that we love? We're going to cover that in today's video. So if you're new here, subscribe with the notification bell, leave a like and a comment. We're going to get it right into it. So the dollar right now has that 2-day sell warning, right? We already flashed our 1-day sell warning and sell now back here, and then the 1-day buy warning and buy now flash here. And it seems like the sell now hit that almost top. We haven't gone up to that point yet, and right now we're rolling over. It's looking pretty solid as far as the momentum. So yes, the momentum right now, TSI going down, MACD red, that's on the 1-day. We look at the 2-day chart and we're crossing down. MACD is about to flip red, and we have the sell warning, stock RSI going down. And every single time we've seen the MACD flip red on the 2-day chart has been the start of every downtrend in the dollar, like here and then here, and then we're very close to it happening right now. So just like, around this time last year when the sell nows flashed late September into October, we did the same thing. It's looking like we're getting ready to roll over for the dollar, and we're like close to breaking this trend line. Then if we look at the bond yields, we flash that 1-day sell now. We look at the 2-day, we have that 2-day sell warning still, and then we have the 3-day sell warning. We have the 4-day sell warning. I think we have the 5-day. Nope, we don't have the 5-day. Let's see about the 6-day. Nope. But we keep getting hung up from this purple moving average. So that was one of the targets that we had said, hey, if we break above these highs, we're likely going to come up to the purple moving average. But I'm here to tell you that if we break above that purple moving average and we keep going up in the bond yields, it's likely we're going to come up to around 7.44 to 6.89 and hit this orange moving average, because a breakout of these 1618, the fib overlap zone, is likely going to lead us up to here, and then we have the orange moving average coinciding with that as well too. So it could be in the cards, but we'll have to see how it pans out. If anything, we want to see it roll over, come back down, cool off a bit. Then if we look at the stock market, we got that 1-day buy now back here. We're having the TSI cross above the 0 line. It's what we want to see. We have that bull flag that we're sharing in our videos, all right? We haven't broken above it just yet, but it's looking like we're getting very close to it. We had the 1-day buy now, so we could see upon a breakout of that that downward sloping resistance, we could see a massive move for the stock market to take us up to around 22K. But, first level by level, a retest of the all-time high back here be the first step. We break above that, we could go up to 22K, and that, I think cryptos would like to see that as well too, and it'd be positive for crypto. So far so good. And then that 3-day EMA ribbon holding that support so far, so that is nice. And we have the stock RSI crossing up. We want to see that TSI cross up. But momentum is coming back in favor of the stocks, crypto, and then the dollar rolling over as well too. So Bitcoin, today we had a massive pump, and we had that 12-hour buy now signal. I think it's flashing right now. Yeah, the 12-hour buy now is flashing as we speak. We had said, hey, it's likely we're going to bottom back here in our last videos. We look at the 1-day chart, we smashed up through that 200 moving average here. So where we're at, we're above a key level. This could just be the start of something bigger, because you go to that weekly chart. Remember that 28K level was the key one to stay above, and this 200 moving average on the weeklies right here. And then we have the 786 from the high point here to the low. We broke above so far. We definitely want to maintain a weekly candle close above 28,613. That would be super positive. And we could see another retest at 30K. And upon a break at 30K, we could see 32.5. So this is solid so far. We have a upward sloping trend line like this that if we pulled back down, I would not want to see us come back below 27,300. That's the level we want to maintain above. We don't want to break this upward sloping trend line. And now we have this 50 moving average, the red moving average, the yellow moving average, all starting to tick up and point up. And when you start to see that, that's the start of the big bull run. So far, so good here. We look at the 1-day chart. I think we had our 1-day buy now back here. Yep. Let's see. And so we're above the 786. So if we can maintain above 28K as well too, then we're good to go. And if we pull back down, it's definitely going to want to just hold this upward sloping trend line. But that momentum is kicking up. Like we see that pink going up, stock RSI going up, TSI going up. It's everything that we expected. We weren't expecting a black swan type of event here. and we see that 2-day buy now, TSI is ready to cross up. 3-day. We could be in for a substantially bigger move here. So don't be shocked or surprised if we see massive upside, because we have the 5-day buy now signal flashing as we speak as well too, and this candle closes in a day and 4 hours. So if we can maintain above that 28,700, close the candles above there, then we're going to see this cross up. The TSI will get above that zero line. We see the stock RSI go, and the pink will get above the blue. And whenever the pink got above the blue back here in January, that was the start of up only. Then we had a little kind of blue and pink crossover, but then we immediately shot up. And then ever since back here in August, we've had the blue above. So we're seeing the tide start to change here. Very positive. Like I was saying in all my videos for the past weeks now, the bull market could kick off imminently to max 100 days. So we could be seeing the start of that bull run ready to kick off sooner than expected, eh? So there we go with that. And then if we start to fire up, we break above 30, 31, 32K, it's likely we'll come up here to around 35K and try to test this 200 moving average on the 5-day chart. Looking at XRP, we had a nice pop today. If we look at the 12-hour chart, we had a buy now signal flash as we speak. And I really want to see us get it back above 51 cents. Ideally, like to change the whole trend here, it would be around 58 cents to get back above the 12-hour 200 moving averages. But usually these 12-hour buy nows had called the local bottoms, So this is solid so far. We just need to see continuation after today's daily candle close. We don't want to reverse everything that we did today. But on the 1-day chart, get them back above 53 cents would get us above the 200-day moving average, the 50 moving average, the EMA ribbon, the exponential moving average, and we could be in for a substantially larger move at that point. XLM looking solid as well too. We had our bot flash on that back here around 0.103. Right now we're at 0.107. We even got up to over 11 cents today. So that bot trade is up so far, so good. And then if we look at HBAR is ready to flash on the bot as well too and execute a trade with the 2-day chart. We're very close to that buy now signal. So watch your HBAR chart or watch your HBAR bot for the Stargate VIPs. That will be triggering soon. XLM already triggered a couple times, and XRP actually got rid of the prepare to buy soon 1-day prepare to buy soon signal that I was flashing last night. I shot it in the Discord. So it got rid of it because we had like a pop. So XRP is not going to be flashing a trade here pretty soon until we see that 1-day prepare to buy soon. Bitcoin, if you had a Bitcoin bot set up, that 5-day buy now, that's going to be a big move. And then the stock market looking good so far. Bond yields doing fine. Dollar rolling over. It's everything we want to see. So if you're a Stargate VIP, you have the bot access. You want to request access to the Stargate live bot setup Excel sheet. Shout out to Ashley for making this very cleaned up. It's nice and clean. You got all these coins: XRP, XLM, Algo, HBAR, Chainlink, Bitcoin, Render, Avalanche, Filecoin, Quant, Arbitrum, Ethereum, Solana, big time for bot setups. And the trading view templates are here, the 3 commas configurations for the bots right here. So that is ready to go for you guys. So request access. This is all done. It's all done. As well, it's in the Discord in the bot live setup channel right here. So it's done. I'm removing every single template in that channel, which I already did. So to get access to the templates and all the bot configurations, you're going to want to get into the spreadsheet. Also, the course program, I created the course program, the Stargate Automated Experience Autobots, which is going to walk you step by step through getting your bot set up and any troubleshooting, anything like that. So request access to this. If you're a Stargate VIP who has access to the bots, right here, there's about 12 steps and that will walk you through it. And then also, if you're not in VIP yet and you haven't got bot access, you want bot access, then you're going to want to get in on this exclusive offer, right? So this link will be in the bio of this video, as well as you can book a free demo. But we're on week 3 now. It started off at 60%. A lot of people striked on that opportunity. Then we were at 50%. Some striked on that. Now we're at 40%. So 40% off. You get access to our automated trading bots for all those coins and more that we developed throughout the next couple of months here. You'll get access to it until January 2025. So it lasts you basically a whole bull run here. So now's the time to strike with that insane discount, and you'll be able to get kitted and suited up with these bots here. And we'll hop on a call, I'll handhold you through it all. Because it's one thing to have a strategy, but but it's another thing to automate that strategy. And this is what these bots are going to do for us. Because then I'm going to go into a little story. So in life, I believe that everything is a sacrifice. You do one thing, then you sacrifice something. There's always a cause-effect relationship to everything. So if you were to spend your time manually doing all this stuff, the tracking of the charts, the signals, trying to figure out when to buy and sell, that's time that you're sacrificing when you could be doing something else. Spending time with family, spending time with friends, your relationship, going to the gym, getting healthy, right? Learning a new skill, or just kicking back and relaxing, getting some peace of mind, doing some yoga or something. So everything in life is a sacrifice. And it's been about a year now, me doing Stargate. We've dished out so many videos. It's like, man, like, we probably dished out 1,000 videos in the past year. And with all those videos and that time spent doing that, right, I've sacrificed time with my relationship, my family, my friends, my personal health. Because, I was spending all the time making videos, watching the charts, giving out trade calls, developing bots, this, that, and the other thing. And now that this is all set up, now I'm excited to take a step back. As far as my new strategy is letting the bots work for us. This army of bots is going to save us time, but it's still not going to sacrifice the amount of gains we could make by being on it, doing it ourselves. We'll probably make more gains because the bot has no emotion. It's going to follow the signals to a T 24/7. You don't have to stay up all night. So the bot is going to give us back our sleep. It's going to give us back our time, but not at the cost of gains and a strategy or being out of the loop when it comes to the charts. So I'm excited now with my new plan, which is now having all these bots set up for our blue chips with swing trades and being able to hit the bottoms, hit the tops to a T, automated. So while that's happening, I'm going to be doing day trades, greasing some profits during the day to then put some of those profits to my long-term holdings, as well as getting back to focusing on my personal health, working out again, spending time with my friends, my relationship, family, especially because I'm moving in a couple of weeks. So I want to spend some time with the people who were there for me and a part of my life for years before I was Bobby Bots, right? So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing this 8-week turnaround challenge that my girlfriend is putting on. So she's a personal trainer. And she's right here. She has her own company as well too. I'm gonna be able to help her now more with getting her wheels going and helping her and her company to help people with their spiritual health, physical health, and mental health. And her company is Flair Fitness Personal Training and Nutrition Coaching. And she's running this boot camp. It's an 8-week boot camp. And it's about not waiting for the new year to roll around to embark on a new journey of self-improvement, but kickstarting your transformation today. And I love the name of it, the 10-week turnaround, because you could fall off the mat. You go to the gym for a bit, or you were going to the gym, or you used to, right? And this is all about turning that back around and getting back on the saddle. So I'm ready to get back on the saddle for my own health journey, because you guys see me. I stayed up probably for 3 days the past 3 days, right? So I'm ready to get my sleep back. I'm ready to get my health back. And I'm going to be following this 10-week turnaround that my girlfriend's company is putting on. And I'm sure you'll love the name. It's Flair Personal Training and Nutrition Coaching. It's fitness with a flair to it. So it's me and her's anniversary today. We've been together for 4 years now. I've known her since 4th grade, and ever since 4th grade, I've always had my eyes on her as being the one. So we've been together for 4 years now. We're moving out to Florida end of this month. We're going to be spending some time with each other, with our families, our friends, saying our goodbyes, as well as getting our life back on track with our nutrition, our mindset and habits, working out and getting in shape, our balance, right? So if you want to get in on this as well too, with the bots being set up, we're going to have a lot more time to get back to our richness and health and relationships. Being rich doesn't just mean money. It also means your happiness, your relationships, your health. And now we're going to be able to get this full body experience. So Ari is one of our team members here at Stargate. You don't see her much in the Discord or on videos, but she's in the background helping keep Ish together. She's the one that picks up all the pieces in the background. So if you're a supporter of Stargate and you've been slapping Stargate for a long time now, you could do me a favor. It's our anniversary today. Go over to her website, show a little love, maybe sign up for that 10-week turnaround challenge, because it starts today. and I'm doing it. I'm going to be running the guy side. She's going to be running the girl side. And if you guys go over there, you sign up, pretty sure it's $80 one-time fee for 8 weeks. So it's like $10 a week. And you're going to be able to transform your mind and life with the 10-week turnaround boot camp, ditch your old habits and start before the new year. Because why wait for the new year? Everybody's always like, all right, my New Year's resolutions, then New Year's hits. And then you might follow it for a week or 2 weeks and then you fall off. It's about changing yourself now to be the new you for the new year, to start off with 12 months straight out the gate already being that new you and ditching those habits. So I'm excited for this. I want you guys, I want the Stargaters to light this up. 10-week turnaround boot camp. Join me with being in this. You don't want to wait for the new year to roll around. Now's the time to get it, because we're about to enter the biggest bull run of all time, right? We need to have our mind good, our body good, our sleep good, our habits good. And I'm getting prepared financially for it with the bots and the trading and making sure that strategy is automated. And I know the Stargate VIPs are too. Now it's about getting your habits on the right track, getting a schedule on the right track, getting your mindset and your meals and your sleep on the right track, getting prepared spiritually for what's about to unfold in 2024. So come join me in this 10-week turnaround boot camp. It's $80 one time. If you're a supporter of Stargate, been watching us for a while now, show some support to my girl, Flair. You can sign up here. And I mean, she's got more proof of gains than most of us out here. So I'm going to show a video of her doing her thing. She crushes it. She takes a holistic approach to fitness and nutrition. You know, it's not one of those kind of cookie cutter things. She takes a well-balanced, holistic approach. She's on TikTok as well too. So Fit Girl with a U.Ari. Go follow her on TikTok. Send some comments. Say Stargate sent you. Like, I want to make somebody's day today. And given it's our anniversary, let's go and make her day and give her thanks for everything that she does behind the scenes for Stargate. She's very knowledgeable and passionate about what she does. She knows everything about fitness and about that well-balanced approach, that holistic approach to health, you know, the mind, the body, and the spirituality behind it. So go follow her on TikTok, say Stargate sent you, and then also get with me on this boot camp. Come on, let's show some love. I'm going to put the link in the bio for this. It's $80 one time. It starts today. It's a workout, 10-week workout program that you can do from the comfort of your home. You don't need to go to the gym. She set it up to also for people who go to the gym. There's a program for that, but also a program for people who don't have a gym. There's nutrition guidance, there's mindset and habit formation, there's progress tracking, there's exclusive educational content and research and resources. You have her as a coach. You can connect with other clients that are in there. There's over like 30 people in there so far. The motivation as well too. And it's set up on her app. I'll show the app right now. Yeah, you want to come join this? I'm going to be in there. So that's where I'm going to be splitting half my time. I'll be greasing up the proof of gains with the trading, but I'll also be greasing up some proof of gains with the physical body, mental body, and the spiritual body. So come join me with that. Love you guys. I'll be spending my anniversary with her. So I will see you guys tomorrow and in the Discord.